Count as I count. In recent years, a very old game has become more and more famous, Molki. It is an authentic Finnish game that combines skill and luck. The goal is simple. Players must throw a wooden cylinder called Molki in order to knock down the pin group. Consisted of 12 pins numbered from 1 to 12, located 3 or all 4 meters from the pitcher to score points and reach exactly 50 points. Points are scored in this way. If a player knocks down only one pin, he scores the number of points marked on that pin. If a player knocks down more than one pin, he scores the number of pins knocked down. The numbers marked on the pins become irrelevant. The purpose of this puzzle is to know how many possibilities there are to make 50 points from the initial score in 4 rounds or fewer. We count only those possibilities which do not exceed 4 rounds. Otherwise, the player would take too long to succeed and risk losing the game. Also, we count only those possibilities in where each round at least one pin is knocked down. That is, at least 1 point is scored. So for example, when P is placed in front of a number, it means that only one pin is knocked down, and the number following the letter P is the number marked on the pin. On the contrary, when the number is not accompanied, it means the number of pins knocked down. The spaces separate the rounds. Before each round, all pins are put back in place. If we start from a score of 47, then the possibilities are P1, 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 P2, P1, P1, P2, 2, P1, P1, 2, P3, and 3. So that means there are 7 possibilities. I'm not going to do PHP, I'm going to do Python. So the first line is an integer n that matches the initial score, and for the output is an integer corresponding to the number of possibilities to reach 50 from the initial score in 4 rounds or fewer. So the constraints is 0 less than equal to n is less than equal to 49, and for example, if the input is 47, then the output will become 7. And there's 8 test cases for me to solve. The first one is example. The second one is to continue. The third one is only 1. The fourth one is near victory. The fifth one is impossible. The sixth one is strike. The seventh one is a lot. And lastly, the 8th one is a lot BS. So let's solve it.